Hi, welcome to another episode of our cooking and baking show. Today I have my two helpers, Finn and Neve, and we are cooking the letter
I.
for another family favorite in this house.
Italian wedding soup.
Italian wedding soup. So, to get started, Neve is going to chop 1 onion, 4 or 5 stalks of celery, 4 or 5 peeled carrots. And while she's chopping vegetables, Finn is going to get started helping me make the turkey meatballs. So we're putting in 1 pound of turkey, 1 egg, and you can start mixing that, Finn. 3 tablespoons of milk, oops, got your hand. 1/3 of a cup of breadcrumbs, some pepper, and salt, and a few dashes of dried parsley, maybe more than a few. And then while Finn is mixing that up, we grate some Parmesan right into the meatballs. So we're going to mix this all up and then make little tiny meatballs that we're going to bake for a half hour at 350 degrees. So the meatballs have finished baking, and while those were baking, the vegetables cooked with a little butter in a pan over medium heat for about 15 minutes, so they're nice and browned. So we're going to go ahead and pour some chicken broth to the vegetables, and Finn and Neve are going to start adding the
yummy meatballs.
Yummy meatballs. So we're going to add this whole container of stock, which is 48 ounces. And then we're going to add 1 cup of a small pasta. You can use mini elbows or anything that you might have.
Wait, can I try one? No.
You can try one when the soup is done cooking. We're just going to stir it around, put the cover on, and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So the soup has been cooking for 15 minutes, just long enough to make the pasta cooked. So we're just going to go ahead and serve it up and eat dinner.
This has been a Freelance Fun television production.